All right, so Jasmine, I looked at a title that you have. It's called I'm Grown. So, with that being said, I am going to address the I am grown first part. Now, Jasmine, there is nothing grown about you. Everything that you do, every minute, every hour, every second, every month, every year, shows us exactly how immature that you are. If you were grown, you would be taking care of your kids the way that they need to be taken care of. And what that would do is that would keep people, your subscribers, the phony ass people that your mother said sent her a letter saying that as myself, I was one of them. Yeah. If you were so grown, people would not be sending your mother letters like that if they really did send it and you sent it. You get what I'm saying? Because the letter sounds exactly the way that you talk and the way that you come across. I also understand why you are the way that you are. The apple does not fall far from the tree. And there are going to be a lot of people looking at this video right now, and you guys are going to be mad. But y'all already know how I do. I'm going to tell you what it is. And I'm going to tell it to you just like it is. But yet you are saying that you are grown. When you move, each time that you move, Jasmine, you do what you call a registry. Each time that it is your child's birthday, you put up a registry. That's what you do. If you are grown, believe me, you wouldn't have to put anything up. Your kids would already have it. Okay, they will already have it. But you still ask and you put that up because you are not mature enough to get your kids what they need. You are not mature enough to have your finances good. You're just not. You know what I mean? It's so many ways that I could tell you right now, Jasmine, that you are not grown. You have your kids listening to very explicit lyrics, but yet you say that you take care of them. But yet you don't know why a teacher or anybody would say anything like that. Because see, us looking in at you, Jasmine, I'm going to be honest about it. I'm looking in at you. It is clearly said now that you may have some type of learning disability. And I'm sorry. If you were grown, you would not be going into your bathroom while we are on camera, the grown people that's on camera, and you are talking to us while you are doing whatever it is that you're doing. If you were grown, Jasmine, you would know how to wash your hands if you are so grown. If you were grown, Jasmine, you would know that when you go to sleep, you walk around into your entire home. You make sure that the freezer door is closed, the refrigerator. You make sure that the water is turned off. You make sure that the stove is turned off. And what most of all that you do, you go to your front door and make sure that your door is locked. If you were grown, Jasmine, you would make sure that your kids are safe and sound. You would not close the door on 2-year-olds. You get what I'm saying? See that right there? That is what makes me say you're not grown. You would have the lights on when they are in there. You would have never ever moved them into a room whereas though their doors to their closet is mirrored for 2 years old. And you already know for a 2-year-old in front of a mirror, they are going to go crazy because that's just something new for them because they like, that's me. That's any baby at that age. If you put my Yorkie in front of the mirror, he's going to have a ball running into it like an idiot. But yet, Jasmine, you say that you are grown. Jasmine, you are a far, far, far way from being grown. If you were so grown, this is why the CPS would not keep coming to your house. They should not be coming to your house in the first place because, again, Jasmine, you say that you are grown. And I'm going to leave that at that. Oh, one more thing. If you were grown, Jasmine, you will put your kids in seat belts. You were on a video the other day. Aiden did not have a seatbelt on. He was out of it. But yet, Jasmine, you are grown. The other part of it says, stop telling me who I can and can't be around my kids. Jasmine, I'm going to tell you like this, and then I'm going to get off of here. I make videos to the content that you put out. Jasmine, each day in and each day out, you are a complete fucking train wreck. Okay? Yes, you are. I myself could care who you leave with your kids. If you wanted to leave the one that called you whatever name it was, I don't know, and you wanted to leave your kids with him, hey, so be it. That's you. Because what's going to happen, Jasmine, is that one of them are going to get hurt. You then are going to have some real serious problems with CPS. To be honest, I don't even know what type of CPS is dealing with you, because if you were in the state that I am, they would have been snatched up, all 4 of those kids. At this point, you would not even be able to see them under supervised care. Not at all. So what CPS has been doing and patting you on the back and, keep pushing you along the way, that is God. That is God. But sooner or later, you are going to have to do what a grown woman, a grown parent does. Each day and each day out, you come on here saying that you are tired. You come on here doing this. You come on here doing that. When you lay down to get kids. So now, Jasmine, you have to be grown. You have to be a grown woman. You have to be a grown daughter. You have to be grown. Okay? Another thing to you, Jasmine. At this point, you know every single thing that is breaking you down because of the 4 kids that you have, and it's hard. So, Jasmine, what you may want to do, even though you said it does not work for you, birth control, I don't know what to tell you. But sooner or later, because I know you do not get it, you are going to have a fertilized egg. You are going to get pregnant again. And as a grown woman, you don't even pay for food on your own. Us people, grown people like me, we are the ones that pay for the food stamps that you are actually getting. We are the ones. Even your mom, because she works. Yes, we are the ones. Jasmine, you have been getting pushed along for so long. You have had people buy you couches. People buy your kids beds. People give you $600 for your birthday. I mean, all types of, care from people that don't even know you. But they care. They care about your kids. I mean, you may not want to listen to this, and I could care less. The only thing that I am doing is letting you know what it is. You are in your own home. You have a man that is living with you right now. And you are under the impression that you cannot even control your own heating and cooling system in your house that you have been controlling before he moved in. There's a problem. There's a big problem. You need a one-on-one, Jasmine. You and your kids all need to go into a group home. Really. But I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. I will see you guys in the next video.